let's talk about how nature can give us ideas that can potentially give us things that will help us along our journey towards the future, but at the same time might make you a lot of money. Let's talk about Velcro. Velcro is wonderful stuff. You have to have a positive and a negative. The initial idea came from the burr plant, the great burrdock seed, which actually sticks to cloth very well indeed. And it's used everywhere on the planet, from clothing to the space shuttle and the International Space Station. But it doesn't stick to everything. So you've got a hoop side and you've got a hook side. So the hook side won't stick to this clothing. It won't stick. Put it on, it just falls off. Like so. Basically, the hooks don't work on certain fabrics. On this fabric, my jersey, perhaps it should do, but it's quite loose. But nature's done better than we have, because I reach into the hedge here. It's invented the Cleavers, which will stick to anything. It will stick to human skin, it will stick to fine cloth, it will stick to rainproof cloth. So if you get your magnifying glass out, or a microscope, and work out how it does it, is it using hooks, or is it doing it some other way, and find a way to fabricate that and make a cloth like Velcro out of it, that will be your first million. Good luck.